In today's video, we go digging for razor clams at the Pacific Ocean. My name is Patrick. My wife Victoria really loves digging for razor clams and asked if this time we could bring her friends Masha and Yana. The closest place to us is 3 hours away in Westport, Washington. The last time we tried this beach we were unsuccessful in spotting clams, but we were determined to try again. All three women are from Ukraine, so this is a very interesting and foreign experience for them. To me, clamming isn't really about the clams, it's about spending time on the beach with family and friends. Our friends actually refused to eat them. When we first got to the beach, we were a little discouraged. In the past, we had not been very successful in spotting the tiny holes which indicate a clam siphon, and initially we didn't see any. However, we chatted with a local man and his wife who were quickly filling their nets with clams and got a few pointers from them. They marked one for us, and we took turns digging out our first clam. Pretty soon, all of us started spotting the holes everywhere, and each of us in turn got to experience the taste of success. It was fun to watch the ladies, especially little Yana, start to gain confidence in their harvesting skills. Clamming takes your mind off the troubles of the world. For an hour or two it focuses only on the beach and where the next clam might be hiding. By 8:15 we had our limit of 45 clams and we gleefully headed back to the car with our bounty. We had to finish cleaning all our clams before our 11 a.m. checkout time. That is quite a bucket of clams there. We have water boiling in our place. It's going to take a long time to boil. Oh, they're starting to open. They're not really opening very well. Some of them are, some of them aren't.
Oh, here one is opening.
Alright. We couldn't get the water to boil on the wimpy hotel stove to blanch the shells off, so we had to get it as hot as we could and hope for the best.
Most of them did.
Okay, yep, I'm going to throw them in there. Okay, good. So Vikushka, we just made a big mess. Yeah, let's get all this sand out of here. Okay, Yana, maybe you can start. Yeah, throw that in there. Let's start by just trying to get more sand off of there, okay? Alright, this will be good.
That's good.
Alright, let me do
any
it.
more.
You see there's a hole there? Put your scissors through that hole. and then cut all the way up to the top.
Yes.
And then there's another hole right there.
Oh.
So cut through there. One goes in and one goes out. They suck their food in.
Okay, here I go.
Yep.
No, I got it.
All right. Back at home, I washed the clams yet again to get more sand out. Then it was time to package them up for the freezer. Of course, we also fried up a few to eat fresh. Clamming is open for much of the year. We might just have to come back again in the fall. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.